Then for the logout, we just want to delete that token. So it will just be the user.auth token.delete. That's just basically as soon as you click on the logout button. That is just it. So for us to make sure this is working, it's we'll just add authentication or authorization here. Yeah, authorization token, and then we can add this. Hopefully this should work, and let's try logging out and see what happens. Okay, we got an error. So before deleting this the token, we are supposed to at least retrieve the token first of all. So for us to retrieve the token, we'll just do a token. So let's do token.objects.get, and then we have that. Now for you to actually do this, you must show that you're authenticated. So let's go back to our REST here, and this time around we need to pass in a key. So that key would be token, like so. Make sure this is properly formatted. So let's save that and try it out again, send a request, and this time around it works. So we have our 200 okay here. So basically what we had to do here was do a token.object.get, which is retrieving that particular token and then deleting it. Basically that's just it. So we could choose to add a message like we have here, just to make sure there's something showing up whenever you do your logout. So where is it? So here is it. So we'll just paste this in and say logout successful. So like that. Okay, let's make sure the comma is here. Logout successful. So that is it. So this means that all our endpoints are working. There we now have our login, our registration, our logout, right? This is cool.